Have you ever wondered why family traditions and rituals are important? Let's set the scene with a family who, every Sunday, gather around their kitchen to prepare a meal together. This isn't just about cooking, it's their tradition, a ritual that underlines their bond, their unity. This family tradition, like many others, is a thread that weaves together generations. It's a shared experience that fosters a sense of belonging, a sense of being part of something bigger. It creates memories that last, memories that become stories told around the dinner table, stories that become part of the family's unique identity. Imagine the laughter, the shared secrets, the love that fills that kitchen every Sunday. It's more than just a meal. It's a ritual of connection, of unity, of love. As we can see from the story, family traditions have the power to bind us together, creating a unique bond that lasts a lifetime. But what if your family doesn't have any established traditions? Or what if you want to create new ones? The beauty of traditions is in their adaptability. They can be created at any time, and they can be as simple or as grand as you wish. Picture a family, much like yours, who decided to start a new ritual of embarking on a yearly road trip. This wasn't any grand, expensive vacation, but a simple journey, exploring new places together. Over time, this annual road trip became a tradition that they eagerly anticipated each year. It brought them closer, strengthened their bond, and filled their family album with priceless memories. Remember, traditions don't have to be extravagant to be meaningful. A weekly game night, a monthly hike, or even a yearly road trip, as in our example, can become cherished rituals. Just like the family who started their road trip tradition, you too can create your own rituals that will be cherished for years to come. As we've learned, family traditions and rituals play a crucial role in our lives. They provide a sense of belonging, create lasting memories, and help shape our individual and collective identities. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our family life, giving it texture, color, and depth. Looking for ways to strengthen your family bonds? Try establishing some new traditions. How about a weekly game night, where everyone puts away their devices and plays board games together? Or perhaps you could plant a family tree, a living testament to your shared growth and resilience. Even something as simple as writing letters to each other on special occasions can become a cherished family ritual. Remember, the essence of family traditions lies not in their grandeur, but in their ability to bring us closer, create lasting memories, and give us a unique identity. So why not start a new tradition today?